Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video. Hope you guys are doing well. Guys, in this video, I want to talk about Bitcoin because I feel like a lot of people, right, are questioning, right, and are, having second thoughts about Bitcoin, right? Because obviously right now, Bitcoin and the whole crypto market is in fact dipping, okay? Nothing fancy is really happening with Bitcoin, right? For the past, few months, we've literally been in the bear market, right? Bitcoin has been dipping, cryptocurrency have been dipping, even though, yes, we had a little baby pumps every now and then, right? But so far, okay, we've been going down most of the time. Okay, majority of the time we have been going down. So what is going on with Bitcoin lately? Like, what is going on, right? Why is cryptocurrency dipping? Why haven't we seen a pump yet, right? Why haven't we gone out of this bear market? Why aren't we going to the bull market yet? You know what I mean? So in this video, I want to talk about it, right? I want to talk about it. Okay. So guys, Bitcoin, right? What's going on with Bitcoin lately? Okay. Why is it dipping? Okay. A lot of people are wondering, a lot of people have been asking me, right? What is really realistically happening with Bitcoin lately? Because it's just been dipping, right? So guys, a lot of people right now, okay, like for example, okay, Bitcoin, as of last year, right, November 2021. Okay, let's talk about that. November of 2021, Bitcoin was currently at like its new all-time high, right? For the people in America, you guys, right, the Bitcoin price for you guys was at like $69,000. Okay, for me, okay, for the people in Australia, right, because I live in Australia, guys, right, our currency is a bit different. Okay, I say a bit, it's dramatically different, right? So Bitcoin for us guys was at, it was at over $90,000. Okay, it was currently at like, I think $92,000, right, or even $93,000, right? So that was Bitcoin's new all-time high back in November of 2021, right? And then ever since November, guys, Bitcoin, okay, and pretty much the whole crypto market has been going down, right? And now we are in fact in the bear market, okay? We have been in the bear market. And I just want to say something real quick, guys. Like Bitcoin in 2021, right? The whole year of 2021 was literally the most appreciating asset out of the whole year. You know what I mean? In 2021, right? Which is obviously good news, right? No one knew that Bitcoin will absolutely explode like that, you know what I mean, in 2021. 2021 was a great year for Bitcoin and crypto, right? We all know that. And personally, that is when I got into cryptocurrency. You know what I mean? I got into crypto, in the early year of 2021, right? Early of 2021. That is when I got into cryptocurrency. So I felt like a lot of people in 2021 got into cryptocurrency like myself, right? Because Bitcoin was pumping, Ethereum was pumping, and other altcoins on the crypto market was in fact pumping, right? Everything was just going up. We were in fact in the greens, right? And obviously, Elon Musk had a big reason to this because, Tesla invested they bought like $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. That's pretty much what drove up the Bitcoin price, right? So that's why we saw, a new all-time high of Bitcoin in 2021, pretty much, you know what I mean? So it was just things like that, right? But guys, the reason why Bitcoin right now is dipping is because there's just a lot of news about Bitcoin, with the Fed, whales, you know what I mean? This is completely normal, right? What Bitcoin is doing right now and what the whole market is doing right now, this is completely normal, right? This market, guys, you guys have to understand this. Like, it's really volatile. We all know this. Okay, it goes up and down a lot, and obviously there's a lot of crashes, right? So it's to be expected that Bitcoin as of right now is dipping, guys, and the whole crypto market with it. Okay, it's completely normal what we're seeing right now. Pretty much, guys, this dip, right, for us, Bitcoin's currently at, $40,000 as I am filming this video right now. Okay, $40,000, and last year, I think May of 2021, Bitcoin was at the same price, right? It was at $40,000. Okay, so Bitcoin is pretty much back at its original price a year ago. Okay, so that's that, right? And people are saying, and I kind of do believe this as well, people are saying that, since we are in fact in the bear market, there's a lot of fear going on, there's a lot of panic selling, a lot of people are in fact selling off their positions, right? the whole crypto market will in fact dip even more. Okay, it's to be expected, guys, right? So this is why I told you guys, you know, a few days ago, I told you guys and I warned you guys that yes, crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these other altcoins, you know, cryptocurrency in general, right, will in fact dip even more. It's not even just cryptocurrency, it's even the stock markets as well. You know what I mean? Pretty much. So I warned you guys that yes, there was a chance that crypto would dip even more. And so far, we haven't seen a major dip yet. As of right now, I would like agree with you guys because, you know, Bitcoin, yes, lately it hasn't been doing anything too fancy. Nothing really interesting is happening, right? It's just been going up and down a lot. It's been on a straight line, you know, consolidating, right? So nothing really fancy and interesting is happening with Bitcoin right now. But I'm telling you guys this right now, okay? In the next few days, all week, okay, Bitcoin has to do something. Either we're going to dip or we're going to have a pump, right? It has to do something at this point. I feel like Bitcoin, right, once it has this final dip, okay, once Bitcoin reaches its bottom, right, which I don't know when Bitcoin's bottom is, right, during this bear market, because yes, guys, we are in fact in the bear market, right? I don't know when Bitcoin will have its final bottom, right, when it will hit rock bottom. No one, you know, realistically knows where Bitcoin's bottom is. You know what I mean? No one realistically really knows, technically, right? But I feel like once we have one more crash, one more decent dip, Bitcoin has to go back up. Okay, it just has to. And once Bitcoin goes back up, guys, it's gonna be forming a new pattern. Okay, it's gonna perform a new pattern. Now, I'll just quickly show you guys the charts on my phone real quick on what I am talking about. Okay, because I feel like this is really important. So, as we are filming this video right now, Bitcoin is in fact going up slightly, not too much. Okay, it's up 41. It's at $41,000 right now, 41.5 to be exact. As y'all can see, that is Bitcoin today as we are filming this video right now. So if we go to the 1 year chart, as you guys can see right here, we are dipping. You guys can see that. This is the 1 year chart. And you guys can see right there, Bitcoin is in fact dipping, right? And look what it did here, right? I feel like Bitcoin is going to be performing a new pattern. We are going to be seeing another hill, right? And it's going to be a bigger hill, right? So that's that, guys. Okay. So guys, please understand that Bitcoin right now, it's just doing what it's doing. This is completely normal. I know a lot of people are in fact, you know, panicking right now, you know, selling off their positions and all that. I'm telling you guys this right now. If you sell Bitcoin, right, when Bitcoin is dipping and you're selling, you're panic selling, you're weak. Okay. I'm telling you guys this right now. You are weak, right? You do not, okay, you never sell when it's dipping. If you want to sell, you gotta sell when it's, you know, rising, right? When it's going up, when there's a pump. When it's going up, that is when you want to sell. You don't want to sell when it's dipping, guys. That is not the way to go. Okay, trust me. Never panic sell is what I'm trying to say here. Never panic sell, especially with Bitcoin. You should never sell your Bitcoins anyways, right? I know a lot of people want to take profits and all that, right? But you guys have to understand something here. Bitcoin is really scarce. It's really limited. There's only 21 million Bitcoins in the world to ever be existed. No more, no less. Only 21 million Bitcoins. And obviously, you know, everyone can't own a Bitcoin, right? There's over, you know, 7 billion people that live on Earth. Almost 8 billion people now, right? There's, to be exact, like 7.7 billion people. So if you do the maths, not everyone can even own a percentage of a Bitcoin in the world. Not even all the millionaires can, you know, own a Bitcoin, right? There's estimated to be about 56 million people that are millionaires. Not even all the millionaires in the world can own a Bitcoin. Think about it. This is why I tell you guys to never sell your Bitcoins. It's really scarce. Bitcoin is really scarce, guys. It's really limited, right? You guys have to understand this, okay? Never sell your Bitcoin, guys. Always hold your positions with Bitcoin. The Bitcoins I hold, I've never sold. Never. I'm always thinking long-term investments, guys, with my investments into cryptocurrency. Whether I'm investing into Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Avalanche, right? Solana, Chainlink, Litecoin, you know, all these other altcoins, right? Polygon, right? I'm always thinking long-term. I'm never thinking short-term. I am always thinking long-term investments, especially with Bitcoin and Ethereum, because Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? I see them as great long-term investments, right? So that's that, guys. right? So I hope you guys, right, during this time, you guys are not panicking, you guys are not, freaking out or anything like that. I'm telling you guys this right now, okay? Since we are in fact in the bear market, this is the time to buy. This is the time to accumulate, right? While everyone else is fearful, while everyone else is panicking, this is the time for you to be greedy. This is the time for you to buy. This is the time for you, right, to accumulate. We are in fact in the bear market. Everything is in the reds. Everyone's fearful. The market is really, really fearful. It's extremely fearful, right? And everyone's just genuinely panicking for no reason at all. When it dips, guys, I am more bullish. When we are in the bear market, I am more bullish because I see that as an opportunity, a huge opportunity to buy more, right? And guys, once we bounce back up, because obviously we're going to bounce back up, right? Once we do bounce back up, right, and we get out of this bear market and we're back in the bull market, right, you'll be up in profit if you buy now during the bear market, obviously, right? So obviously, guys, over time, it takes time. Once we bounce back up to the bull market, and we kind of have a long way to go, right, to get back to the bull market, right? Obviously, you'll be up in profit, okay? And hey, if you want to take profits, go ahead. But I'm telling you guys this right now, always think long-term with your investments with Bitcoin and Ethereum, always. Okay, I'm not no financial advisor. You should really do your own research. But I'm just letting you guys know right now, okay? Personally, and I know a lot of people out there, right, that are in fact cryptocurrency investors, they are investing their money into Bitcoin and Ethereum for long term. They're not thinking short term. They're not taking short term gains. They are always taking long term gains, right? Because trust me, guys, okay, you will make the most money long term versus short term, right? You will make the most money with long term investments, right? So simply, guys, okay, buy and hold. That's it. Buy and hold. That's it. Really, really simple, right? So guys, never sell your Bitcoin, okay? At least accumulate one whole Bitcoin, guys, and hold that one Bitcoin, because trust me, this one single Bitcoin, this one single token of a Bitcoin will make you a millionaire, will build you wealth, will, make you have financial freedom in the future, right? If you hold for the next 10, 15, 20 years even, and beyond that, you know what I mean? This one single Bitcoin, guys, trust me, mark my words, okay, it will give you financial freedom, which is pretty much what everyone wants in this world. And I'm pretty sure you watching this video right now want to have financial freedom, right? So guys, that is what's happening with Bitcoin. You got to be patient. Trust me, maybe in a few days time or in a few weeks time, Bitcoin will bounce. Okay, it will have a pump. But this is the thing, guys. I don't realistically know when we will get out of the bear market. I don't know when Bitcoin will absolutely shoot up and get out of this bear market, right? Because like I said again, we have a long way to go, right, to get out of this bear market, guys. So realistically, no one realistically really knows where Bitcoin will be heading in the future, right? That's the truth. No one realistically knows. Who knows? Bitcoin could drop all the way back down to $20,000, right? Who knows? It could happen. You never know, right? Like literally. So think about it. No one realistically knows that, no one really knew that Bitcoin would dip again. You know how it reached this new all-time high back in November 2021, right? No one knew that Bitcoin would drop back down to, $30,000 and $40,000, right? No one realistically knew this. You know what I mean? So that's that, guys. Okay, Bitcoin, no one realistically knows where it will be next week, next month. Everyone is just predicting, okay, where it will be. It's all predictions, guys. That's it, right? So guys, please understand that maybe, in the next few days or in the next few weeks, right, Bitcoin could go back down lower or could bounce back up. Okay, it could pump back up, a little pump back up, right? Because I feel like Bitcoin as of right now, if it does dip, this is going to be its last dip. It's going to hit a bottom, right? And then it's just going to bounce back up, and it's going to be performing a new pattern going up. It's going to be performing one of those hills again, right? That we saw in 2021. There was two hills that Bitcoin made. It pumped to like, $20,000, and then it went up to like $80,000, right? And then it dipped down to $40,000, and then it went all the way up to like $90,000. Now we're going back down. So I feel like Bitcoin is going to be performing a new pattern, right? Another hill, pretty much, right? So that's that, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully this video sort of got you guys thinking about where Bitcoin is lately, right? And this is completely normal. You guys just have to be really patient. Okay, you have to be really patient with this market, in any market. Be really patient, guys. Okay, there's no rush. Remember, we are here for long term. We don't care. Okay, we don't care what Bitcoin is doing short term. We only care what Bitcoin is doing long term, in years, the time period in years, not days, not weeks, not months, years. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give this video a huge thumbs up, and of course subscribe if you guys haven't already. I really would appreciate that, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day, guys.